and this produces 400 chalk sticks after every 10 minutes. Hello everyone, and my name is Michael, and to everyone who has been asking me about school chalk production, this is the day. I want you to follow this video until the end. I'm going to take you through how we use this IMM gunmetal machine for commercial school chalk production. Well, there are a lot of things that we need to have in place before we make school chalk, quality school chalk. I mean dustless and non-toxic school chalk. What you need to have is this. This is a mixture of paraffin and cooking oil, and we need to have our water. We need to have our plaster of Paris. We need to have our plaster of Paris, and we need to have this machine. So I'm going to take you through this process slowly. Just watch, and we see how we are going to produce quality school chalk today.